Ooh, T. We is here. Trying to plug. I should burn. Oh wow. Yeah, I should have did that. Made it to the spot. Y'all probably seen it already, so I ain't gonna say nothing. Somebody lying right there? What the heck? But yeah. Keep my trash in my bag. They're probably here, probably not. You just finna experiment it out. Test it out. A little muddy. Excuse me. Ooh, T, I'm on. I'm on. Yes, sir, ski. I'm on, yeah. It's a little guy. Ooh, yes, sir. It's pretty cold over here. Oh, shoot. Come on, come on, come on. I hate strappers, y'all. Just freaking like.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Yes, sir. Got one. I don't know how much it freaking measures to, but it ain't legal size, so. Yes, sir, ski. Just like that, we on and popping.
Yeah, put me on.
They're here.
Are you letting it sink?
Oh, I'm on again. Oh, fuck.
Are you letting it sink or are you going?
Yeah, I'm gonna sink. Damn. Hold on again, bro.
Oh my god, how am I supposed to catch a fish like that?
That one on again, y'all. Is that a freaking wind knot? Hope not. I'm trying to drop more consistently. Honestly, I've been lazy. It's getting colder, so I've just been lazy. I ain't been going out fishing barely. I've been too spoiled with the boat. I ain't been going out fair, but trying to get out there more. So finna go do some new stuff soon. Probably debating weight soon. Do all that little good stuff, but for now, I'm just exploring plug. It's my first time plugging like this type of area, so but it's pretty good. So I caught one fish. I'm on again, y'all. T. They feel pretty big. Yeah. A little bit, yeah.
You gotta walk it down over here.
Yeah, I know.
So you got grippers?
Yeah. Alright.
I mean, not high top boots, but you got boots.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski.
That's like a 20, bro.
Yeah. Sir, y'all, that shit measured as the 22. Kept it. They're here, bro. They're in there. Everywhere. Got a cast wrong. Yeah, I ain't doing anything but just casting and retrieving. Cast and retrieving. That's it. I should back up though. I don't want to freaking fall in the water. It's like 3 feet deep. Or 4 feet, I don't know. But it's pretty deep though. So. Right there. A bit. A bit. I am a bit.
You catch one, cuz.
I told you I'm bit. Told you I'm bit, yo. Yeah. It's a little dinky butt. God damn. Damn. Whatever. Ah. You know what, bro? Yes, Sirski. Finna plug the shoreline now. This is what's going on over here. This little opening spot should be cool. Can't walk there, but I can't. I don't feel like walking it, y'all. Don't get stuck in the freaking things. Hella bait jumping around too. Going there, y'all? Oh no. Oh hell nah. Should be cool, right? Sketchy. This is sketchy. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I wonder where they're at. Back at the other spot, first spot. Okay, nothing at the, well, exploring, so trying back over here. Damn.
What the fuck? On the top?
Yeah, on the first. You're pretty. Probably like an 18. Woo! Yes, sir, ski. They are back. Oh, never mind. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh. He's gone. Or not. Swear, bro. Ah, freaking splashed me. That one got away. Splashed my whole eye, bro. My whole face. Nah. Hell no. The bite's like on and off, bro. It's like they're there and they bite or they don't. They just move around and shit. Ready to pack up, yo. Ain't get a bite yet, so finna leave. I tried to plug on the way back, but yep, water's going out. Water is going out. Oh my god, bruh. That was a hit, bruh. Bruh. That was a hit. That thing is freaking moving still. Up here. It's just the end of it. Finna head back, but got this little cool 22 incher. Good little day at a new spot. Yeah. Alright, last spot, y'all. Last spot. Last spot for real. sir. Alright, y'all, we are out.